हाय गाइस, ये हमारा न्यू चैनल है सिट क्रूज, जिसमें आप तमाम दोस्तों के लिए सुपर हीरोज़ की वीडियोस और गेम्स के क्लिप्स दिखाए जाते हैं। आज से हम एक नई गिव अवे स्कीम का आगाज़ कर रहे हैं। जो दोस्त भी हमारे चैनल पर नया है या पहले से सब्सक्राइबर है, तमाम दोस्तों में जो भी हमारी इस नई वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मर्तबा देखेगा और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करेगा, स्टेटस पर लगाएगा, महीने के आखिर में जिस सब्सक्राइबर के सबसे ज़्यादा व्यूज़ और शेयर्स होंगे, एक लकी विनर को स्मार्ट वॉच गिफ्ट की जाएगी।
Closing in now.
Cover the door. The beast could be anywhere. You have no idea. Spider-Man! This whole lizard hunt ends now! Leave Connors alone! Craven wants a hunt? I'll give him one he'll never forget!
Cut the leg of that spider!
He's gonna wish he never came to New York!
Stand by and take orders. Satellite scanning all active feeds. Triangulating position. Target located at Harlem Fish Market. All teams converge.
Lizards across the river. I'm not gonna make it in time.
Miles, the hunters tracked Connors to the Harlem Fish Market.
Lizard, I'm on it. Sounds like Craven's checking off his.
We don't have much time. Move.
Guess we'll chat later. Genki, the lizard's loose at the fish market.
Must be sushi night.
You still got the hunter drone you hijacked?
Been really tough hiding it from my mom, but yeah, I'll boot up and see you there.
They got here fast. Can't let him find Connors, or he's done for.
Spread out. If you find the lizard, don't engage alone. Look at those fish. It's been feeding.
Never saw it coming. So, how's the hunt going?
Watch out for his loopholes!
Judging by the 3 tons of dead fish, not well. All right. Where are you, Connors? Garage might lead to him. Connors tore through this place. He's out of control. Where am I now? How'd you find me?
Follow the fish. Drone's picking up Lizard's trail.
He's still eating. We can catch him off guard. Genki, get behind me.
just his skin.
Doesn't that mean he's getting bigger?
Hungrier too. Whoa. Hey, man. New threads?
The building's swarming with hunters. Any sign of Connors?
Yeah. Genki's tracking him.
Hey, Mr. Parker. Mr. Spider-Man, I mean.
But the data's incomplete.
Okay, I think I got a lock.
Genki, wait! Be chill! That wasn't me.
Me neither.
I don't even have a stomach, so...
Let's go! Go, go, go! Take him alive!
Can't lose Connors. Harry's dying, and he's the only one who can help.
We won't! You take the drones, I got the jet skis! Cool if I borrow this? This is really, really exciting! Keep it tight, man. Watch out for those drones. Don't worry, they think I'm a friendly.
There! Take him out!
The East River is not a river, but in fact a saltwater tidal flat. Spider-Man is fighting on right now! Everybody down!
Help the tour boat! Right! I've got the metal murder bird!
I warned you about going after Connors. Now this is on you. Poison clouds. That all you got?
Almost done here. Civilians are all safe. How you looking?
This gunship won't quit.
I'm right behind you. We'll take it down together.
No time. I got you. Time to go boom, boys.
Oh, no! Spider-Man, it's got defenses. Spider-Man, hang on. Over there. Whoever the tendrils. Move.
Come on, let's go! He's right behind you!
I know!
Whoa! Be faster!
Fly faster! I do not want to be lizard food! Got him! Hold on! Look out! Everyone, take cover!
What are you guys doing?
Trying to take out that gunship! Can't get close enough!
But I can. I'm one of them, remember?
Bro, that's it! Pete! Alley-oop on 3!
Fine.
1, 2, 3! Alley! Woo!
away from us.
It's good, Pete. I saved the tracker. Let's go, man, before he gets too far.
No. He's mine.
You sure? He's got big teeth.
So do I.
He's not normally like that, right?
No. He's never like that.